testing MC adduction. Patient's hand will start in abduction. Go ahead, Rachel. I want you to perform full adduction for me. Because she was able to do this, we know she's at least a grade 3. Go move that out about halfway for me, Rach. Now, when I am testing for adduction, I will once again stabilize the desired metacarpal, and I will apply resistance on the radial side of the 5th digit, forcing it into abduction. So resist me 3, 2, 1, and then I will go to the 4th digit once again on the radial side, 3, 2, 1. Make sure that you're on the proximal phalanx and not up here. And then I will go to the 2nd digit, and I will apply on the ulnar side of the proximal phalanx. Resist me 3, 2, 1. Now notice that I did not apply any resistance on the 3rd digit, as it only performs a abduction and not a deduction. Now, if you do not see any movement going on at these digits into adduction, you will want to palpate the palmar interossei, but this muscle is very deep inside the palm. So instead, how we grade for this is seeing how much movement is, as we can see at the digits. If you see any movement whatsoever, that is a grade 1. And if you do not see any movement, that is a grade 0.